Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the VoskCoin YouTube channel. We're gonna run through the craziness of BRC20 tokens, them really making millionaires, an exciting token in the mix, market caps and so much more. I know the screen's all messed up, whatever. We're in the middle of moving, so I'm in the shop today and I didn't even pull the green screen up. Normally this is the background, but with that said, let's just go ahead and jump right into this one. Yo, what's up? My name is Vos here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel, where we are building out a Bitcoin mining farm. So Bitcoin mining profitability has been jumping off the charts. You can see some of my Bitcoin mining profitability. Hash rates are this, but the revenue jumped up. Why? Bitcoin ordinals. And we were early to talk about these. We wanted to show you, we wanted to get you in the loop, right? And we were having a little fun, but then they just started to get a little crazy. So we'll come back and run these numbers. Bitcoin mining went down recently for the first time in quite a while. Not much, and with the jump in profitability based off of ordinals. And I don't think people understand just how crazy this is. Right? This is the first time in history that something on the Bitcoin chain has actually led to any sort of interest in an increase in Bitcoin mining profitability. For example, before ordinals popped off even more, I was mining about 37 bucks a day in BTC. That jumped to about $57, or about a 50% increase in Bitcoin or Satoshis mined. Check out our video guide on how to get started with BRC20 tokens, how to mint your own tokens, mint something from a collection. There's the marketplace and so much more craziness going on. In that video guide, I create my own BRC20 token. It's just for fun. It's an experiment. There's no epic plans behind this or anything like that. Maybe one day VoskCoin will bring that to market. You know, just 105 disclaimers, okay? But I'll link it out down below. I was gonna do /tail, but someone had already minted that ticker, so I couldn't get the URL. So we switched it to Vosk. But the supply basically spells out tails, and you can only mint 3, which is the average Shiba Inu litter size. So you know, just some little fun stuff, a passion project, if you will. The Ordi token is what's just nuts. Okay, this thing is really doing its thing, right? This is a token on the Bitcoin chain, a BRC20 token. It's like an ERC20 token, but somehow almost worse. And I'll explain what that means later on. But BRC20 tokens are new. Okay, this is cutting edge. You're on the bleeding edge of Bitcoin development. And it's exciting for really one of the first times in a long time. I've always wanted Bitcoin to be a platform. This is a token on chain with over $300 million in a market cap. And it has about $200 million in volume. That is crazy, right? But where are people trading these coins?
Bitcoin mining is really cool, but to be honest, it's loud, the devices are expensive, and there are some pretty interesting alternatives. Like I'm earning $60 a month in passive income after my electricity bill using this hard drive miner. It's small, barely any heat or noise, and it's profitable. Check it out with the link down below and save some money by using our coupon code VoskCoin.
Unisat, among several other places, including already a major centralized exchange, crypto.com, whether you love them or hate them, listed Ordi, and they did it fast. And that's where $72 million, the most volume out of all of this, is taking place. Unisat's pretty cool because you can come over here, you can mint coins. I mean, it's so easy, right? So I want to mint some of these. The max you can mint in one transaction is 3. I click next, and I'm in no rush, so I'll click economy, right? And I'll click submit and pay invoice. I click continue, and I'll pay with the wallet. But it looks like I can't afford to sit with us. I've been having too much fun. I need to reload that thing. That's embarrassing.
A few moments later.
So Unisat basically works like MetaMask. It's a browser-based wallet. You connect it, you load it with Bitcoin from a centralized exchange or one of your other Bitcoin wallets, and then it's very easy, straightforward, and simple to use. You can also just pay with Bitcoin. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is the address I need. I'll open my Exodus wallet, I'll click send, I'll punch that address in, I'll come over here, I'll copy the exact amount I need, and then I will paste that, which is $4.21 worth of Bitcoin or 16,000 Satoshis. And that transaction is sent. Normally it hits all pretty quick because the transaction is broadcasted, and then you're off to the races. But that's how easy it is to mint coins, right? But what about trading? So yeah, you could go over to a centralized exchange. They're starting to list some of these and try to participate. Or you can click the marketplace, click in the top right and connect your wallet, and I can come over here and buy some Ordi tokens. Buying these is as simple as saying, okay, yeah, that's the one I want, and you can click around and go to different popular tokens or search one in particular. So Ordi is going to be the first one to pop up, right? But everybody likes to talk about PEPE lately. So we'll put in PEPE. This will pull up. You see some serious orders in here. And if you wanted to buy this, you'd click buy. This is the information that gets pulled up. You click confirm, it would prompt you on the transaction, and you'd buy the tokens just like that. It's really astonishing that there's already over 14,000 tokens deployed on the Bitcoin chain as BRC20 tokens, with over $200 million of volume. And it's just gonna be very interesting to see where this goes. But there's several tokens already amassing market caps in the tens of millions of dollars. We have to scroll down at least 20 places to get to a market cap lower than $1 million. Some of these don't look too good, not a lot of volume, but some of them have pretty impressive volume for that low of an actual cryptocurrency market cap. This is early, this is interesting, this is just truly weird. We look at the inscriptions over time, and they are just going absolutely nuts bananas. Total inscriptions through the roof. Daily inscriptions hitting all-time highs. Daily fees, ballistic, right? You take this out of the equation, this was the all-time high ever in fees. This was the all-time high ever in fees before that. These are total fees, okay? Historically, ever ballooning. Those are specific to ordinals, though, just to be clear. And ordinals are basically NFTs on chain, non-fungible tokens on the Bitcoin chain, but they've been kind of MacGyvered into a way to just simply deploy cryptocurrency tokens. Now looking at the ordinals over time. In the beginning, it was basically having fun, making pictures, doing image NFTs like PFP collections and just putting things on chain. Like I put my beloved Tails Voska on the Bitcoin chain because that's fun, cool, and nerdy, and I'm about it. But then these text BRC20 ordinals just went insane. Once they gave us a marketplace and added a little bit of spice and everything nice, taken off. It's easy to write this off as this is a fad or this is BS or whatever. And you know, I think BRC20 tokens have a lot more staying power than something like the meme coin PEPE, right? And you know, you talk about your PEPE and nobody cares. Yeah, that's true. But you talk about Bitcoin doing something interesting for one of the first times in its history, other than being a just financial revolutionary project, whatever. Like, Bitcoin is internet money, is peer-to-peer digital cryptocurrency, and it's way cheaper than sending a wire. And that's even with fees that aren't all that cheap. We look at the block inscriptions. I mean, this is crazy. The data is there. The fees in USDs, okay, are in the millions of dollars daily. Total fees have now gone over $30 million. The usage is jumping, it's spiking, but it's forming a true baseline. And even though the market just pulled back, the interest in something like this has not. I really cannot understate how early this is if it really gets legs under it and starts running. The market's not hot. Most people aren't even interested in cryptocurrency and think, you know, for the 149th time that it's gonna fail. I don't think so. Not in the slightest. So this is so freaking cool. I am so freaking excited. If you don't know this, because you haven't watched the guide yet, these ordinals, these BRC20 tokens, they are free. Okay? Like, coming over and getting the VOS token when it still can be minted is free. If you were early enough to that Ordi token, right? It was free to mint. You pay a transaction fee. That's it. And a marketplace fee. Well, that sucks too, but you know, you pay a couple fees, but like, there's no, okay, you do this fee and then the the Ordi token also has a base cost of, say, $1 a coin or whatever, pre-sale, initial coin offering, ICO, whatever. Okay, all of these BRC20 tokens are free to mint. You can go to the BRC20 token page and say like Unisat, you can click in progress and you can see something that's, almost done, right? So let's just take, for example, DERP. So we could come over here and we could mint DERP, and we could mint as many tokens as we wanted here, or the token limit. And there's, again, no associated fee other than, the marketplace here and what's going on. That is what's crazy about these. Everyone is getting all of these Bitcoin tokens for free, so people are just going ballistic, minting this, and minting this, and minting this, and if it takes off, awesome. If not, you're out just a transaction fee. It's not like you have to put in, thousands of dollars or even a minimum. I mean, this is like decentralized token generation, and it's such a small amount. I mean, you can get in the game for $5. You can get in the game for less than a coffee. That's so cool. And you don't even need to set up like the Unisat wallet or any of this other stuff unless you're really going to get heavily into it, right? Like, I can do this all just out of my Exodus hot wallet or my Trezor cold storage, whatever. This is unlike anything Bitcoin has ever seen before. I hope this video is unlike anything you've ever seen before, so that encourages you to subscribe, to stick around for no other reason than our beloved CBO. No, she's now been a lateral transfer to COO, our chief ordinal officer here at the... No, we're going back to B. Our chief BRC20 officer here, because C titles are oh so serious at the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Tails Vosk in the orange corner. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. I hope. Maybe. Good luck. Remember, BRC20 tokens are crazy. They're new. We'll see where it goes.